What's up, guys? Day 98 of opening up a pack of Ascended Heroes until we get a God pack. This is still from the poster box I got at Main Street Cards OC. Great pricing. Can't complain. God pack. It is not a God pack. See here, we got Dynamo, Silcoon, Dracloak, Waitress, Glass Street, Stug Trio. Did I just mute myself for a second there? Raichu, Glass Trumpet, Dracloak, and Glass Trumpet. Okay. This is for the master set. I am going to need this card. So you guys get the puppers.